Spring arrives next month and winter is calming down, thank goodness. The days are getting longer and I am a little bit excited, so I thought that it is time to celebrate spring flavors a little bit early with a fantastic fresh avocado and grilled chicken Mediterranean salad. This thing is packed with nutrients, it's flavorful, it's gorgeous, plus it's really fun to make because curly pasta. I'm Brooke Lark, ambassador to GoodCook, and let's get started. This salad is full of Mediterranean flavors. It's bright, it's fantastic, it's salty, it's crunchy, it is absolute salad perfection, and we're going to be using a couple of GoodCook tools that make that prep time so simple. The GoodCook avocado tool, the veggie chopper, the over-the-sink colander, and a salad spinner make each step of this salad easier than the last. First, let's prepare the dressing. To a bowl, add red wine vinegar, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, Dijon, and oregano, and you'll mix this together and then just set it aside for the final step. We're gonna start by washing some romaine leaves. You can place these in the GoodCook salad spinner after washing to dry them off really quickly. I just pull the lever on top and it spins the water right off of the romaine in a snap. Once you've got your romaine prepared, we're going to go ahead and get some diced cucumber. This is made simple with the GoodCook veggie chopper. Just cut your cucumber in half, place it on top of the blades, and then press down the lid for a quick and easy dice. It's so simple, mega quick, and we're just gonna toss this together with the romaine. And I'm also gonna add the secret ingredient, cavatappi pasta. I've strained this in a GoodCook over-the-sink strainer. The strainer works great for veggies. It's also perfect for pasta, and it goes right over your sink, so you can save counter space, use that sink area as prep, and then clean it all up when you're done. Up next, avocado. To cut your avocado, slice it in half, and use the curved edge of the GoodCook avocado tool to remove the pit. Then use the blades to slice and scoop the avocado into 8 perfect slices. Go ahead and add those perfect avocado slices to the salad. Add tomatoes and olives. Finally, add in some prepared grilled chicken and feta cheese. Then drizzle it with the dressing that you set aside earlier and toss. You guys, you've got to try this salad. And if you're interested in making it yourself, you can snag the full recipe over at goodcook.com. While you are there, be sure to check out all of the other recipes. We send new ones out every single month. It's going to become your favorite website on the internet. Happy cooking.